Welcome to our magical journey into the realms of the present simple. In this lesson, we will uncover the wonders of this verb tense and explore how it works in the English language. The present simple is a verb tense that helps us express actions and states that are habitual, regular, or true in general. It allows us to talk about things that happen repeatedly or facts that remain constant. Imagine entering a mystical world where the present simple reigns supreme, where time stands still, and everyday actions unfold in enchanting simplicity. Together, we will embark on this adventure, uncovering the secrets and powers of the present simple. By the end of this journey, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to use this verb tense effectively. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to explore the magical realms of the present simple. Let's dive into this captivating verb tense and unlock its wonders. Are you ready? Let's begin our journey. Welcome to our exciting lesson on the present simple tense. In this presentation, we have some fantastic learning objectives lined up for you. Let's dive in and discover what we'll be focusing on today. Objective number 1 is to understand the concept of the present simple tense and its usage. We will explore when and how to use the present simple tense to talk about routines, habits, and general truths. Objective number 2 is to learn how to form sentences in the present simple tense. We will uncover the magical rules for forming the present simple tense with different subjects and verbs. Objective number 3 is to practice using the present simple tense in various contexts. We will engage in exciting exercises and activities that allow us to apply the present simple tense in different situations. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of the present simple tense, its usage, and how to form sentences correctly. You'll also have the opportunity to put your newfound knowledge into practice through fun activities. So, get ready to embark on this enchanting journey of learning and discovery. Let's dive into the magical world of the present simple tense and unlock its secrets together. Let's begin our adventure.